The Rajasthan Assembly passed a bill providing for life imprisonment and a fine up to 5 lakh rupees to convicts in cases of mob lynching involving the victim's death. The Rajasthan Protection from Lynching Bill 2019 was passed by the Vidhan Sabha by a voice vote and vociferous protest by the opposition BJP, which wanted the bill to be referred to a select committee. The bill was introduced by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Shanti Dhariwal in the Assembly. Responding to the debate on the bill, Mr. Dhariwal said through the Indian Penal Code and the Criminal Procedure Code have provisions to deal with the cases of mob lynching incidents, they are not adequate. Accordingly, the government brought the bill to provide for stricter punishment to curb such incidents. Referring to the Supreme Court's recommendation to enact a law against mob lynching, the Statement of Objects and Reasons of the bill said, it is proposed to tweak the evil in the bud and to prevent spreading of hatred or incitement to mob lynching by creating special offences against such acts. The Chief Minister had announced his government's intention to enact the law while replying to the debate. In his reply, the minister said the bill was introduced to ensure that incidents of mob lynching, which had brought a bad name to the state, were not repeated. After 2014, 86% of mob lynching cases reported in the country happened in 2020. The state is considered a peaceful state, and such incidents have put a mark on it. The opposition legislators protested the bill, saying they would not support it in its present form and demanded it to be sent to a select committee for review. Leader of opposition claimed that IPC and CRPC had ample provisions to deal with cases of mob lynching. He asked the government to table relevant statistics in-house on mob lynching cases in the state to justify the new law. According to the new law, a person who commits an act of lynching which causes the death of the victim will face rigorous life imprisonment and a fine of 1 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. In case of grievous hurt, the punishment will be jail up to 10 years and a fine of 25,000 rupees to 3 lakh rupees, and for other injuries, the punishment is a jail term of up to 7 years and a fine of 1 lakh rupees. Lynching offences will be tried by a sessions court and be cognizable, non-bailable and non-compoundable. The law prescribes a procedure for the appointment of a coordinator at the state and district levels as directed by the Supreme Court and witness protection. Mob lynching cases will not be investigated by an officer below the rank of a police inspector. Under the law, the state government, in consultation with the Chief Justice of the High Court, will also set up designated courts to hear mob lynching cases. Victims will get compensation as per the Rajasthan Victim Compensation Scheme and will be rehabilitated in case they get displaced because of a mob lynching incident. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lakshya Steno. Stay connected with us on social media. For any query, WhatsApp on 9991560799, link in description.